All of the main tanks, as I was saying before, have the same bottom half, and they are held into the galvanised chassis with one-way lugs, which are part of the tank. It's the moulded lugs, and it's relatively easy to fit. We use a half-ton bag of sand to apply general pressure, but once the tank's in place and those lugs are locked under their keeper, it's quite hard to remove them if you ever had to. If the tank has been destroyed in an accident, no problem, you just cut the tank out, but if you're trying to remove it in one piece, it can be done, but it's not easy. The tank, all of the tanks, have a one-way drain valve. It's a fast drain valve, which is very handy for dumping the end of a tank if you're wasting the spray, or if you have rinsed the tank and you want to drop the rinsings. It's a very quick valve, has 3 positions to put it. Just generally people use it on the fast lug. And around this side here we have a level indicator, and it's in litres and gallons. So it's got the little orange ball here, which floats with the level, handy to have. And all the tanks also have the same in-mould graphics. So you've got the warning decals regarding PDO shafts and other spray related warnings. And around this side here you have the nozzle application chart, which is very handy to refer to when you're changing spray rates and speeds.